In a bowl, combine pork and the marinade ingredients. Mix with hand and gently squeeze so the meat will absorb the marinade. Let it stand for 2 hours or more. In a pan, heat about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil and saute the chopped garlic. Saute until it turns brown, remove from the oil and set aside. In the same pan, having garlic infused oil, stir fry the pork about 10 to 15 minutes or until brown. I add some Worcestershire and oyster sauce. Then add the butter and continue sauteing for another 2 minutes. Transfer into a serving dish and garnish with fried garlic.